Question. Sci-tech innovation is vibrant in China, as you mentioned, and this vitality has attracted huge interest of domestic and international investors. Providing sound financial support for sci-tech innovation is a key task in implementing the innovation-driven development strategy and ensuring financial service for the real economy. It is also an important component of the financial supply side structure reform. In recent years, together with relevant ministries, the PBOC has employed tools such as equity, bond, and insurance to strengthen financial support for sci-tech innovation. Sci-tech innovation activities are highly diverse. Tech firms at different phases of the life cycle, namely seed phase, startup phase, growth phase, and mature phase, have immensely different risks and financial needs. From the supply side, we need to further align the supply of financial services to their needs and to cultivate a financial market that supports sci-tech innovation requires coordination of financial, sci-tech, and industrial policies, and it requires collaboration between the financial regulatory departments, the science and technology departments, the financial institutions, and tech firms, and requires relentless efforts. Recently, in order to further strengthen financial support for sci-tech innovation, the PBOC will work with the CSRC and the Ministry of Science and Technology to launch a Science and Technology Board of the bond market at the same time, and we will improve the re-lending program for sci-tech innovation and technological transformation. Let me briefly share with you some details. First, on the Science and Technology Bond, we will support financial institutions, tech firms, and private equity investors, these three types of entities, to issue sci-tech innovation bonds to enrich the variety of bond products for sci-tech innovation. First, we will support commercial banks, securities companies, financial assets investor firms to issue sci-tech innovation bonds to create new sources of funds for sci-tech-driven loans, bond investment, and equity investment. Second, we will support tech firms at growth and mature phases to issue medium to long-term bonds to raise funds for R&D investment projects, merger, acquisition, and restructuring. Third, we will support leading PE and startup investment institutions with rich experience to issue long-term sci-tech innovation bonds to mobilize more funds to invest in early stages, in small firms, in long-term projects, and in hardcore science and technology. At the same time, the Science and Technology Board will take into account the needs of tech firms and features of returns of equity funds to improve institutional arrangements for issuance and transactions, adopt an innovative approach to risk sharing, reduce the cost of bond issuance, and guide the bond funding to support sci-tech innovation in a more efficient, convenient, and low-cost way. Second, improving the re-lending policy. We intend to further improve the elements of this re-lending program. First, we will further expand the scale of this re-lending program from the current 500 billion yuan to 800 billion to 1 trillion yuan to better meet the financing needs of enterprises. And second, we will reduce the interest rate of re-lending program between PBOC to commercial banks to strengthen policy incentives to banks. We will expand the coverage of this re-lending program. And we will also work with the Finance Ministry to keep the intensity of fiscal interest discount to lower the financing cost for enterprises. We will also improve the policy procedures for re-lending application so that it can be delivered at a higher efficiency and provide more facility. These specific measures will help stimulate the vitality of sci-tech innovation and market and mobilize more social investment, including private and government funds, to invest in sci-tech innovation. Going forward, we will strengthen communication with relevant ministries to improve policy systems in support of sci-tech innovation and cultivate a financial market that is supportive of such innovation, and continuously enhance the capacity, intensity, and quality of financial support for sci-tech innovation. In conclusion, I want to say that we welcome international investors to invest in Chinese tech firms, and we're against politicization of normal market actions, and we are against unjustified barriers. Thank you.